Hi friends, this project is called Snakes and Ladders game. It's done by Akanksha Dukhania, Akshay Gulati and Gaurav Agarwal. Now Akshay will explain you the functioning of this project.
Now let us first look at the objective of our project. Its objective is quite simple. You must have played the game Snakes and Ladders in your childhood. We are making a digital stimulation of the game Snakes and Ladders by making a digital board and a digital dice for playing the game. And we'll interface the dice and the board such that the general rules of the games are followed, and we'll debug the circuit. Now let's have a look at the circuit. You must be terrified by seeing the circuit, but it's quite simple. Now let me explain to you the functioning of the digital dice. The dice will produce a random number from 1 to 6 and display it in the same fashion as it is shown in the real dice. You see, there on the real dice, the numbers are shown as shown in the pattern. Now I'll explain the working of the digital dice. I have used a very high frequency in the 555 timer, and it is supplied to the counter. The counter will generate numbers from 1 to 6 in a at a very high frequency, and the frequency is kept such high that the time period is quite less than the human response time, and that number is given to the D latch, which will be latching the output, and that output will be shown at the pattern which is required. It's currently showing 4. I'll press the dice, press the push down button, and it will start generating random numbers. I'll release it to get a random number. It is showing 1. Now let's look at the digital board. You are seeing two grids at the board for player A and player B. Both the grids are 5 cross 5, which means the maximum that a player can attain is 25. Okay. You see that there are some red LEDs and there are some blue LEDs. The red LEDs denote a snake and the blue LEDs denote a ladder. Whenever a player hits a red LED, it will be reduced to the previous snake. And whenever he hits a blue LED, he will be passed on to the next blue LED, which means he will be moved forward. And the position of the player will be shown by an off LED. When I will start the circuit, all the LEDs will be on, and the position of the player will be shown by the LED which is off. And the same working applies to player B. There are 2 players, therefore 2 grids. Now I'll explain the working of the digital board. Whatever we get on the dice, it is moved onto the board, and the position of the player is stored in the RAM of the microprocessor, which you see on your screen. Whatever a player gets on the dice is added to the position and stored in the RAM. And it involves some additional code to detect whether he has hit the snake or ladder. Now let's experiment with the game. Okay, I'll execute the code. Just wait for a second. You see that on both the grids, all the LEDs are on, as both player A and player B are at position 0, that is at the start of the game. They have to reach the position 25 to win the game, as the grid is 25. Now I'll start the game by pushing the button on the digital dice. The dice has generated a number 5 that will be passed on to player A. You see that player A has moved from the start at position 00 to position 5. The LED at position 5 has turned off. Now turn for player B. Player B has got 6. Player B has moved from position 00 to position 6 and the LED at 6 has turned off. Turn for player A. Player A also has got 6 at the dice. So he has moved to, yes, he was previously at position 5. 5 plus 6, he has moved to position 11. So turn for player B. He gets a 6. Yes, he was previously at position 6. 6 plus 6, 12. At 12 there was a blue LED, that means a ladder. So he moves to the next ladder position, that is 22. So he's very close to a win. Turn for player A. He gets a 5. He was at position 11. He now moves to 16. The 16th LED has turned off. Turn for player B. 1. He was at 22 and now he moves to 23. Yes. Player A has got 5. He was at 20 and now after pressing player A gets a 5 and he was previously at 16. He has now moved to 16 plus 5, 21. So the 21st LED has turned off. Turn for player B. Player B is currently at 23. Yes. He gets a 6. So the program halts and player B wins the game. That was a project Snakes and Ladder.
Thank you.
So that was a simple demonstration of a project Snakes and Ladders. Bye guys. Simple. बंद कर